JDF soldier among three held for abduction and robbery in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A member of the Jamaica Defense Force is among three men held by the police after an abduction and robbery in Manchester on Thursday night. The men were detained following swift action by the police after an individual who is said to be a vendor was taken hostage at gunpoint in Nevermind District, Christiana, Manchester. It is reported that the vendor was abducted shortly after returning from the Coronation Market in downtown Kingston, where he had gone to sell produce. The vendor was robbed by his abductors of $50,000 cash and a Samsung Galaxy A20 cell phone. The police said that the robbers threatened to take the life of the vendor and were transporting him along the Christiana bypass when he wrestled them off and jumped from the moving vehicle. The victim ran to the Christiana police station and made a report. Swift action by the police led to Dobson District in the parish, where the three abductors were seen at a shop and accosted. The shop was searched and illegal ammunition found, and what appears to be vegetable matter resembling ganja and illegal cigarettes were also seized. The shop owner's car was searched and an illegal firearm believed to be the one used in the abduction and robbery was found with several live rounds. All three suspects were taken into custody by the police. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.